Hi guys, it's your girl B. I am back with another prank. I'm about to prank my sister with this and this plastic. So I told her I found this little experiment online. So I am going to pretend I am bleeding. Blood will be oozing out. Shh, she's taking a shower. Let's do this. Hello! Hi guys. So I'm going to put like apple cider vinegar thingy in my mouth mixed with water, and my lovely sister is going to record the whole thing to see how long I can last. She has a timer. I don't know. Okay, you can't see it, but yeah.
Wait.
Okay,
I have a timer here, guys.
so I have this because I'm in the kitchen. I don't want to be vomiting on the floor in case I have to go. Have these tissues.
For how many minutes?
Apparently you can't last for like a minute.
So it's like 30 seconds. How many minutes? 30 seconds or
Yeah.
like a minute?
I have to last for more than 30 seconds.
More than 30 seconds.
Okay.
Wait. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Because we're doing this now.
Okay, 1, 2.
You can stop the challenge if you don't want
it's
to.
fine.
Okay, it's fine. She's ready, guys. So let's do this. Go. Yeah, that's small. Okay, guys. She lost. She lost.
I'm bleeding. You give me water.
Wait! You're not bleeding. You're not.